This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Fernando Castro. Beautiful 2-halves apartment unit with screened patio. Walk-in closets. Eat-in Kitchen.Community offers pool, gym, 3-lane bowling alley, auditorium for events, TIKI area/barbecue, game room, laundry, tennis court, basic cable, water and sewer. Close to Nova University, walk to parks and shops. 24 hours. Security. Washer/dryer on each floor, very convenient to UNIT.AMMENITIES, private bowling alley, game room, tennis gym, auditorium, covered community patio, west/tables and chairs, Barbie case, auditorium. 24 hours. Security.LOCKBOX, easy to show, walk to PUBLIX, free bus to malls, shops, etc. For more information.